Welcome to Karltron Modular. This is the Perk, your percussion aid. The Perk module takes anything and makes a percussion out of it. So right now we've got two of them running. Let me mute one for you. You can see just he's playing. Over here you can see a blue track with the downward triangle envelope is produced on this trigger. And then the input goes through a VCA and a low-pass filter. So we have real nice kick drums, any kind of bass line. If we modulate the decay time, of course the decay time can make little drums turn into whole instruments. And we'll just kick that. And you get a groove going. With no input, there's an internal white noise source. We can see the noise over here. It's given as an output, and we don't need to listen to that. But it will make you every snare drum. It's triggered by your standard trigger. Input any kind of audio. Level here is an external input if you want to use your own envelopes instead of this triangle envelope, which will also let you hold the thing open, and then it becomes a low-pass filter, but it can get kind of loud. Now the trigger and the decay time won't do anything, but we have instead that white noise going through a filter to give you that classic wind sound. But again, we put something interesting at the input, like this saw wave. And every bass line. I love it. You're going to love it too. It's available as a full module or DIY kit or PCBs, whatever you prefer. Just check out karltronmodular.com. Karltron.com. Thank you.